Hi, Scott Olson again with no room for projects. I still don't have any room for projects, but I've got a saw that I've been using. It's one of these little saws, and it works just like one of the big saws. There are some advantages and some drawbacks. Here's one I just bought from someone from a classified ad. If you look around here, they've both got the dial to raise and lower. They've both got a fence to run your material against. They've both got an angle that you can set them. So here's how you raise this blade up and down. Here's the big fence. One advantage of this one is it's got a lot more room, so you can do a lot wider material. On this one, you can do a lot of projects, but once you get out to about a foot, that's it. You can still do a lot of projects that way, but it's very limited. With what I've done before, I had some big pieces of material I was having to go through here, and because of its small size, it was wiggling back and forth, and I wasn't getting a true straight edge. But for this one, which has got a great fence, you just lift it up and move it wherever you want it to get the width you want. It's got numbers down here to dial it in. Down here they've got a little gauge that shows you how many inches away you are from the blade, and you can do up to, I don't know if you can see this, up to 24 inches thick on this side, and you've got a much larger space to push material. You can see I've got some melamine I'm going to be ripping, and I needed something larger than this. I've got some big pieces over here, but I just needed something a little larger than the 1 foot. These you can pick up at yard sales, garage sales for $25, $50. This one, I've seen people get these large ones for $100 to $200. This one was $200 because they had actually put in a router to go along with it. So you can use this fence right here to put in router blades and put router material through it. So that's just a quick look at the advantages, disadvantages of the two. This one, of course, is very heavy. I had to get someone to help me to get it out of the back of the truck, and when I'm done with it, I can't just roll it down the stairs. I'm going to have to just cover it up and leave it outside. So a big disadvantage. No room for projects. Join us again, share, like, and comment down below if you like the material, and if you have questions, put the questions down there. Thanks.